Hi, let's draw the easiest Christmas wreath that you could do with a Crayola marker. Grab a Crayola marker and you're gonna draw just a bunch of messy circles. I'm not even trying to make a perfect circle. Just swish some circles around. And it's even better if you've got several colors of green. 2 to 3 colors of green will make a beautiful Christmas wreath. Now for the fun part. Dab a wet paintbrush on top of the circles and hit that paper a little on the outside and inside of the circles that you drew, kind of messy. This creates your greenery for your wreath. Once your wreath is dry, you can decorate with markers, glue, glitter, or even add ribbons and sequins. Wasn't that easy? We hope you enjoyed this easy Christmas wreath, and we'll hit subscribe so you know when we add more to our Christmas playlist. But most importantly, that you forget not the Lord in this season and every day.